Hi everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video, I will be showing you how to unsubscribe mail in Gmail or how you can stop unwanted emails in your Gmail. So first of all, you open your mail. Once you open your mail, you need to tap open the inbox. Inside inbox, you tap open the mail that you want to unsubscribe to. Here, I'm just gonna tap on Quora. Inside mail, you need to look at the very end of the mail. There you will see all these options available or the information about Quora. From there you will have a unsubscribe keyword available in those information. You need to tap on unsubscribe, and with this link you will be able to unsubscribe mail from Quora. Now you will also have the option of whether you want to get notified daily, weekly. If you totally want to stop receiving the unwanted mails, you can tap on never and tap on save preference. The settings has been saved. Now you will not be receiving any unwanted emails once you have unsubscribed from your Quora account. So this is how you can unsubscribe mail in Gmail, which will help you stop the unwanted emails. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.